these are all the things you'll need to make yummy banana muffins. You will need 75 grams of butter, 250 grams of self-raising flour. I'm just using normal flour today and just adding extra baking powder. Then you'll need a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, a pinch of salt, a half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon ground nutmeg, 150 grams of caster sugar. That's just very fine sugar, so you can blend your normal sugar in a blender if you don't have caster sugar. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 125 milliliters of milk, 2 large ripe bananas, and 2 medium eggs. So let's get baking. Right, I've taken out all the ingredients I need. I've measured it all out, so it's all ready for me to just start baking. Let's see what we need to do next. Next, step 2, heat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. I've already heated my oven. I'm sure you can hear it in the background. Next, you need to melt the butter and let it cool. I've already done that just to save some time for us watching the video. Let's see the next step. That was step 3. Step 4, mash the bananas with a fork. And then, I'll tell you what to do next. I've left a piece of the banana to show you how to mush it up. So all you do is you take a fork and you just mash it up so that it's all mushy. See, very, very easy. There we go, all mushed up. Let's see. Next it says, then beat the eggs. I've got my 2 eggs inside my beater. 2 eggs, vanilla extract, needed 5 mils. So I'll put in my measuring spoon, 5 milliliters, just behind there. Alright, vanilla extract, my melted butter. Let's put melted butter inside. There we go. I found that my silicone kitchen tools work the best because they get to scrape out all the ingredients. Let's see. Go. Right, my melted butter's in. Next, I need to put in my milk. So these are all the wet ingredients. Because eggs, vanilla, and all those things are wet ingredients. All right, now I'm going to mix. You just need to mix it all in a bowl. Okay, I've mixed it for a little bit so that all can mix together. Now the recipe says, next add the mashed bananas. So I'm going to add the mashed bananas to my mixing bowl. There you go. Make sure you get all the bananas in so you have a yummy banana muffin. If you don't put the bananas in, you won't have a banana muffin. And then it says, and mix well. So I'm going to mix again. Okay, I've mixed it all well. Now, next, my recipe says I need to sift all the dry ingredients. So I'm going to use my sift like this and put it in my bowl. So which are the dry ingredients? It's the flour. So I'm going to put the flour in first. So turn it a bit and then just give it a shake. So it's all in. Shake, shake, shake. Huh? We're sing the do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Right, what other dry ingredients do you need to put in? You need to put in the baking powder. This was my baking powder. I'm going to put them all together. Baking powder, the bicarbonate of soda. I've got a pinch of salt. You just take your finger and you just put in 1 little pinch of salt. I've got my cinnamon and my nutmeg. There we go. My ingredients. Those are the dry ingredients we have to put in now. Shall we sing the rest? Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Prairie Lane. There we go. Okay, all my dry ingredients are in. Put it that side. And now I'm going to use a spoon, and it says, oh, and then add the sugar. We nearly forgot about the sugar. Add the sugar, and then we mix it all together. Okay, we're going to mix it in a separate mixing bowl. This is not with the wet ingredients. This is in a separate mixing bowl. Right, let's see what we need to do next. Okay, next it says make a well in the middle of the bowl. That means you make a little hole. And we did a rhyme where we spoke about a well. Can you remember which rhyme we spoke about? That had a well? They went to go fetch water? Yes, Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water at the well. Take this out. Shake that out to make sure I don't make a mess. Take my mixing bowl out. I've made a little well. I hope you can see. It just means make a little hole. Okay. Then I'm just going to scrape all the butter and the banana off the side here to make sure we get everything inside. Okay. Now it says add our mixture. So I'm going to throw it in the little well I made into the little hole. And I'm going to scrape everything inside because we need all the ingredients. We can't leave half of it out because then it won't make yummy banana muffins. Alright, with that, I'll put that behind. And then it says mix well, but not too well it says because it needs to be a bit lumpy. So I'm just going to keep turning the spoon like that. You ready? Okay, I'm going to do that until it's all nicely mixed. Okay, now my banana mixture is ready. It's ready to go into the muffin pans. Alright, let me just move everything away so that I've got space. A clean kitchen works better than a messy kitchen. So when you're busy baking, I like to keep everything tidy. So let's clear all. Because if it's all clean, we know it's healthy and it's safe. Alright, I've already put in my cookie cups into my muffin pan, then I don't need to spray it. Okay, and what I do is I usually use one of my measuring cups to put it inside the cookie cup. So let's see. I can fill them all. Will you help me count to see how many muffins I'm making? Alright, I hope you can see. Filling 1, 2. Oh, it's smelling delicious. You can smell the bananas. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you still helping me count? 9. Wonder how many we'll have at the end. 10, 11, and 12. Oh, this one, the first one I did, looks like it can get some more of the mixture. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 delicious banana muffins. Now it's ready to go into the oven because the oven has warmed up. Okay, I'm going to go put it in the oven and then we'll see in a little bit what it looks like. The muffins are ready. Yay! I'm going to take them out gently. Oh, look how beautiful and brown they are. Golden brown. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gently taking them out and putting them on a cooling rack to cool down for a few minutes because they're still too hot to eat. Yum, yum, yum. And while I was waiting for them to get done, ready, I cleaned the kitchen so I don't even have to worry about anything in my kitchen. Right, I'm going to wait 5 minutes for them to cool down. And then I think it's time to try them. What do you think? Okay, I think 5 minutes are done. I'm done waiting. I'm going to put my muffins, I'm going to decorate them beautifully. 1, 2, 3, 4 muffins. I think it's time for a tea party. I'm going to have fun, drink my tea, and enjoy one of these delicious, scrumptious, golden brown banana muffins. Have fun making them while I enjoy eating mine.